Guys, this is Kelly Tekin from Conditioned. I'm just sitting over here in my car. We're waiting for Aspen to get done with her music lesson today. I wanted to talk to you very quickly. Sorry about that. So what I was saying is I wanted to talk to you about workouts, okay? So many people think, well, I can't go to the gym. I don't have an hour to spare today. I'm just not going to be able to make it. Don't think like that, okay? Just think 12 to 20 minutes. That's all it takes. A hard 12 to 20 minutes. Conditioning will get you burning more fat than you could believe. You burn fat during the session and it's setting your metabolism up. You're going to burn fat like for the rest of the day and for like even a couple days after that, okay? It's the best thing you can do if you're trying to lean out. So get out of the habit of thinking you gotta spend an hour in the gym all the time. It's just not necessary, okay? You get in, you get out, okay? Twice a week, minimum. Twice a week will get you results. 3 times a week will get you faster results, okay? That's all I wanted to tell you. Thank you.